Pull Your Ex Back is written by Ryan Hall and it's aimed at both men and women. It gives you a blueprint of what to do in the initial stages of a breakup so that you give yourself the best chance of being able to reconcile with your ex. The earlier you can apply these ideas, the more effective it's likely to be. Click the link in the description below this video for details. The main focus to begin with is making sure you don't do anything to make the situation worse. People often react to their partner breaking up with them by chasing after them, displaying needy behaviors that will usually push the person further away. As Ryan talks about in this book, they're making decisions in a highly emotional state, which is almost always a mistake. So this book is mostly useful for you if you're really struggling emotionally with the breakup, worry that you can't live without the other person and desperate to do anything to get them back. The other situation this would be useful is if you feel your partner is growing distant, and you fear a breakup is imminent. You might be able to turn things around before it gets to that stage, and obviously prevention is better than cure. As tough as it might seem to do, the basic advice Ryan gives is good for getting you out of your depression and focusing on other areas of your life. If you wallow around in your own misery, this isn't going to make you look very attractive to your ex. If you can show yourself to be emotionally in control and getting on with your life, you'll be more appealing and your ex may have second thoughts about breaking up with you. There's some solid advice on how to stay positive and motivated to get on with things, even if some of the advice is a bit generalized. If it's true that acting based on highly emotional states is a bad idea, then what you need instead is a rational plan of action. Ryan gives you an outline of what you should be doing to give yourself the best chance of getting your ex back and also improving your emotional well-being. Be prepared to spend around a month without getting in contact with your ex, as that is the main advice prescribed. For some people this will feel like an eternity. But there's advice here on how to manage it. One of the things that Ryan continually tells you to implement is the instant shift technique. During the time you're not in contact with your ex, there are also some tactics advised that will possibly make your ex jealous. This is one of the main aims of the system, to make him or her feel jealous and that he or she is losing out by letting you go, with the idea being that you win back the power in the relationship. Click the link in the description below this video for details.